There you go. All right. Look at that.
Outside row number 9. One of the local guys from over in Fenwick, Michigan. Nice round of applause for Randy Wellman Sr. in car number 3. Inside row number 9. Going to be Carl Thayer and the number 1 truck.
I know you ain't that much.
Outside row number 8 tonight, also a Crystal regular. Nice round of applause for Ashley Scott and the number 7. Starting 15, out of Muskegon, Michigan. This year's Bristol Motor Speedway Pro Truck Champion. Nice round of applause for Curtis Rice and the number 92. Outside row number 7 tonight, driving the black and pink car number 88. Nice round of applause for Eric Lake in the 88 car. Starting 13, picked up a meat feature win last night. Nice round of applause for Bristol, Michigan.
How long you ever deal? You didn't have much sleep. I know this one here didn't either.
And the guys that locked in through the heat races to make their way into the 19th annual Corn Harvest feature at the Pro Stock. Outside row number 6 tonight, out of Riverdale, Michigan, driving the black and red car number 94, out of Virginia, Chad Ramey. Outside row number 6 in 2016 National Pro Stock feature winner. Nice round of applause for TJ Gilbert. Outside row number 5, guy that does all the traffic for us out here at the annual Corn Harvest. Nice round of applause for Mount Pleasant, Michigan, Don Taylor at Wagon Yellow, number 72. Inside row number 5, it's way up north over by Traverse City. Nice round of applause for Joe Fisher at Black and Silver car number 3. Outside row number 4 tonight. They went all over the state this season. That pink and white car number 26. Nice round of applause for Mike Vandermark Jr. Starting 7th tonight, picked up a couple feature wins out here over the course of 2000.
Oh, I don't know. Changing your fucking drums.
Nice round of applause for Charlie Dunn.
Holy shit, look at Barry. We're getting old.
Yes, we are. This is my bad.
Oh, you can't quit.
Looking for
you can't quit.
weekend. Outside row number 3. Nice round of applause for Stanton Dowdy Rowe. 75th, one of the regulars over in the Silver Bullet Speedway. Ahmad Ron Berry at Black and Orange car number 40. Outside row number 2 tonight, driving the shooting fire protection, the red and green car number 44. Nice round of applause for Jeff Haley. Inside row number 2, driving the Wild Statue, yellow and blue car, truck number 4. Feature winner out here this season. How about it for Taylor Wild?
You did good last night. I don't think you drank too much.
On the outside of the front row, driving the Mackenzie Excavating. Car number 15. Nice round of applause for Richie Southern. And on the pole, our back-to-back track champion out here at Mimican Raceway Park, drawing the 1 for this year's feature event. Nice round of applause for Belden, Michigan, Jake Kegley.